We are going to do the hidden Maywood challenge. It's not actually a challenge, but it's the hidden one. It's this little leaf down here. And we're actually playing for Cosmo eggs. So we'll play again. It's really important, excuse me, that you always merge in 5. You could probably complete the level if you mess up and you don't, but for sure you won't be able to make the stars if you don't do all the merges in 5s. So we're gonna just try and be very good about this, and we're gonna start with all the little guys first. So I'm just gonna find them all. And okay, not that one. If you notice, when I merge, it merges to the one that you want. Now, we've just gotten a star because we actually created the autumn sapling. Now, excuse me, we're gonna go through and do the other ones. So that's 5. That's 5. So it's not rocket science. You can watch what I'm doing here. Okay. All right, so you do get to a point where you kind of have to take a step back and just make sure that you haven't missed anybody. Because you also have to heal all the land. Okay, so we've got 2 stars now. So now let's just finish those ones. Oops, let's just lock that. That's 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge 5 here just so that we can see this one. And okay, so there's only one set that you won't end up merging in 5s, and that's that one. Now all the land is healed. Now, before we actually do that, I'm going to merge those stars, and I'm going to take all the goodies from them. because as soon as we do this Great Autumn Tree, the level's going to be complete. So you want to make sure you collect all your coins. And there you have it.